Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a common but sometimes tricky trouble code, P0106, which points to a map sensor performance issue. We'll focus specifically on how this code applies to Buick vehicles, as their calibration can be a bit particular. So, what exactly is a map sensor? MAP stands for Manifold Absolute Pressure. This little sensor has a big job. It measures the pressure, or vacuum, inside your engine's intake manifold. It then sends this information to the engine control module, or ECM. The ECM uses this data, along with other sensor inputs, to calculate the perfect amount of fuel to inject and when to time the ignition spark for optimal performance and fuel economy. When you get a P0106 code, it doesn't necessarily mean the map sensor itself has failed. The performance part of the description is key. It means the signal from the map sensor is not what the ECM expects to see, based on what other sensors, like the throttle position sensor and crankshaft position sensor, are reporting. Think of it as a disagreement between your engine's sensors. The ECM might see the throttle open wide, expecting manifold pressure to rise, but the map sensor's reading doesn't change, as it should. This conflict is what triggers the P0106 code on a Buick. This can lead to a variety of symptoms. You might experience a rough idle, engine hesitation or stumbling during acceleration, or even stalling. Your fuel economy could take a hit, and you'll definitely have that pesky check engine light staring at you. In some cases, you might not notice any driving issues at all, just the light. So, where do we start troubleshooting? First, a visual inspection is always a great first step. Look for any damaged, disconnected, or cracked vacuum hoses connected to the intake manifold and the map sensor itself. A vacuum leak is a very common cause for this code, as it allows unmetered air into the manifold, throwing off the pressure readings. Check the electrical connector on the map sensor, too. Make sure it's clean, tight, and free of any corrosion. A poor connection can cause an erratic signal. If the visual inspection doesn't reveal any obvious problems, the next step is to test the sensor's operation. You can do this with a multimeter or, even better, a scan tool that can display live data with the engine off, but the key in the on position. Your scan tool should show the map sensor reading a value close to your local barometric pressure. For example, at sea level, this would be around 29.9 inches of mercury or 101 kilo. As you start the engine, the vacuum created should cause this reading to drop significantly, typically to around 5 to 10 inches of mercury at idle. Now, here's the performance test. While watching the live data, quickly snap the throttle open and closed. You should see the map sensor reading jump up sharply, almost back to barometric pressure, and then quickly drop back down as the throttle closes. If the sensor's reading is slow to respond, gets stuck, or doesn't change much at all, you're likely dealing with either a faulty sensor or a blockage in the vacuum port leading to it. Sometimes, the port on the intake manifold that the sensor or its vacuum hose connects to can get clogged with carbon buildup. You can often clean this out with a small pick or some carburetor cleaner. Just be careful not to drop any debris into the manifold. If you've checked for vacuum leaks, confirmed the wiring is good, and cleaned the port, but the sensor's readings are still incorrect or sluggish, it's a strong indication that the map sensor itself has failed and needs to be replaced. When replacing it, it's always a good idea to use a quality OEM or reputable aftermarket part, especially with sensitive electronics like these. After replacing the sensor or fixing a vacuum leak, clear the P0106 code with your scan tool and take the car for a drive. Make sure to go through various driving conditions, idling, steady cruising, and acceleration, to confirm that the code doesn't return and the engine is running smoothly. That essay rundown of how to diagnose and fix the P0106 map sensor performance code on a Buick. It often comes down to a simple vacuum leak or a clogged port, but by following a logical diagnostic process, you can pinpoint the problem without just throwing parts at it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with this code yourself. See you in the next one.